Hi friends, this video is a review on the Biossance Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. I have been trying this for a while and I am super excited to do a review of this moisturizer for you guys. I am doing a little demo in this video as well as talking a little bit about what squalane is and the difference between squalene and squalane. So if you want to see all of that, keep watching. So let's see what they claim this is on the website. So it says that it is a rich and decadent moisturizing repair cream with all the good fats your skin needs to deeply moisturize without leaving it feeling greasy. This moisturizing face repair cream is formulated with lipids that mimic and support skin's moisture barrier, and it's full of squalane, omega fatty acids, and ceramide to help feed and hydrate the skin. Some of the benefits they claim are multi-lipids restore and support skin's natural moisture barrier, smooths rough texture, plumps the look of fine lines and crepiness, boosts radiance for dewy, healthy-looking skin without adding shine, and replenishes to leave skin feel exceptionally soft and supple. So this product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. So, the cost. Are you ready? Hold on to your pantaloons because this one is pricey. So this retails for 78 Canadian dollars at Sephora. It comes with 1.69 fluid ounces of product or 50 milliliters in this tub. Now, what is the difference between squalene with an E and squalane? Okay, so squalene with an E is a lipid, also known as a fat, that is naturally produced by our skin cells. As we age, our production of squalene starts to decrease. Oh, joy. Now, squalene isn't only naturally found in humans, it's also found in plants like wheat germ, olives, sugarcane, rice bran, and also shark liver. But not to worry, because the Biossance moisturizer is not made from shark liver. It's actually a vegan product and they get their squalane from sustainably sourced sugarcane. So no sharks are harmed in the making of this moisturizer. Now, before it can be used in any skincare product, squalene needs to be processed and hydrogenated into squalane. And this process is important because it makes it more stable, it increases its shelf life, and it makes it more tolerable for our skin. If you're wondering, well, what other ingredients can I actually mix this with? You can mix it with your vitamin C, your retinol, AHA, BHAs, and so on. And this is because squalane is so stable, it can be mixed with all of these ingredients and it won't lose its effectiveness, and in turn it won't make the other products or ingredients less effective. The other thing that I love and that's really great about squalane is that it's a humectant. So that means it like draws moisture into your skin and hydration, and it's also an occlusive, which means it seals in that moisture and really locks it in to your skin, which makes it a double duty superstar ingredient to me. So what types of skin is squalane good for? Well, really, it's good for all skin types, but I caution, like I say in all of my videos, make sure you try out the product for yourself first. Do a little patch test, see how your skin reacts, because you just never know with these products. So you always have to try it because you never know what you might have an allergic reaction to. Another thing I wanted to mention, if you have oily skin or you're just not a fan of a super rich moisturizer, maybe you might not like this moisturizer. But there is a gel version of this, and I believe it's called Biossance Squalane Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. So there is a gel version of this. It is formulated with squalane, so you still get the benefits of squalane, but just in a lighter moisturizer. So maybe give that one a try if you're not a fan of a super rich moisturizer or you have really oily skin. The one thing I didn't love about this is the smell. When you apply it to your skin, there's a smell. Like right away when you start putting it on your skin, there is a smell and it does not smell good. And it goes away really quickly. Like the moment I started blending it into my skin, the smell went away. So It didn't really bother me. I didn't care too much, but if that smell would have lasted throughout the day, I don't think I could wear this because it smells pretty bad. But it does go away really quickly. It is normal. Don't get freaked out. To me, at least, I didn't smell it after I blended it in, like it completely went away. So it's literally like you smell it for a second or two and then it goes away. It was not a deal breaker for me. So now let's get into the demo. So before I do the demo, I just wanted to show you guys the packaging. So it comes in this glass jar. It is quite heavy, so for traveling, it's not the best. But when you open it, there's the product and it does look super creamy. So I'm going to put some on my face, and I put about that much for my face and neck. And you can see it's super thick and creamy. And I put this on my eyes and press it under my eyes. And it just feels so luxurious. And I mean, I can smell it right now and the smell's gone. So I smell that scent right when I put it on. Like it has a scent right when you put it on, and the scent literally goes away once you blend it around on your skin. So, and it feels so rich. Like if you don't like a rich cream, I wouldn't recommend this. I love me a rich cream, but it doesn't feel greasy, and it blends and it soaks so beautifully into the skin. And you can see like it's blended in my skin, and I have a little bit of that dewy glow, which I love. And my skin just feels so nice with it on. Like it's plump and it's got a bit of bounce to it. Oh, I just absolutely love the way this cream feels on my skin. So now I'm going to rate this moisturizer based on my 3 categories that are very important to me in terms of what I'm looking for in a moisturizer. And I will rate each category out of 5. 1, how well does it get absorbed into my skin? I'm giving this a 5 out of 5. It absolutely melts into my skin. It gets absorbed beautifully. It has a very rich and thick texture, which I absolutely love, but it doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy or oily or sticky. It just blends really nicely into my skin, leaving it like moisturized and hydrated and feeling very plump. 2, does it help my skin hold on to moisture? So I am giving this a 5 out of 5. Hands down, it absolutely does. If I use it as a daytime moisturizer, my skin feels hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. And if I use it as an evening moisturizer, I notice that when I wake up in the morning, my skin still has that moisture and hydration, and it still looks and feels really plump, which is really important to me, especially when I'm using a moisturizer in the evening. I really want to wake up and feel my skin is still hydrated and moisturized and plump, and it didn't lose all the moisture throughout the night. 3, does it set up my skin for makeup application? I am giving this a 5 out of 5. It absolutely does. When I use this moisturizer, it leaves my skin looking dewy with this natural glow without making it look greasy. So when I apply my foundation on top of that, that dewiness still comes through without looking oily. And it just looks really nice. I love how nicely makeup glides on my skin and how well it blends into my skin when I'm using this moisturizer. I also love how my makeup lasts throughout the day. I'm noticing that it looks more skin-like. It doesn't get any dry patches or creasiness throughout the day. And because my skin is so hydrated and plump, and because this moisturizer really helps my skin hold on to that moisture, my makeup still looks nice and fresh later on in the day. So I was very impressed when it came to makeup application and makeup wearability and longevity with this moisturizer. It was fantastic. Okay, so I'm just gonna say it. This moisturizer is on the same level as the Skin Fix Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. I love them equally. I think they're equally good. They are my 2 current favorite moisturizers. Skin Fix Triple Lipid Peptide Cream, if you haven't seen my other videos, has been my holy grail. For me, at least, that moisturizer to me is one of the best moisturizers on the market. I love how well it moisturized my skin and how my skin looked and felt when I wore that moisturizer. That's why every moisturizer I tried after that, I would compare to the Skin Fix Triple Lipid Cream. I did the same when I tried this one. And let me tell you, it passed every test. I love how my skin looks and feels with this. This video is not sponsored. I just really love this product and I really wanted to share it with you guys and let you guys know that, hey, if you like the Skin Fix Triple Lipid Peptide Cream, there's one more out there for you to try, which is this Biossance one. Now, I know it's very expensive. It's actually even more expensive than the Skin Fix Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. Would I buy this again? Absolutely. I would definitely buy this again. I would splurge when it comes to skincare, especially if I find something that works really well for me. I will splurge and buy that particular product. I think it's great as a nighttime moisturizer. So in the summer, I would definitely use this as a nighttime moisturizer. And in the daytime, I would use something a bit lighter. But for a winter moisturizer, it's great for day and for night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you've liked it. Hit that subscribe button to see what videos I come up with next. And leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've tried this. Let me know what your thoughts are if you're going to try it. Let me know what you think about it. And let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to do or any other products you'd like me to review. Thank you again so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.